Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD camper features. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD camper is built for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort and technology. It combines rugged capability with luxurious living, making it the ultimate travel companion for those who want to explore the world on their terms. Whether you're heading into the wilderness, driving across the country, or simply looking for a weekend escape, this camper van is designed to take you there with ease. With a powerful yet efficient engine, the Sprinter AWD camper is engineered to handle any terrain. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control in all conditions, whether you're driving through snow, mud, or rocky landscapes. The intelligent traction control system adapts to the road beneath you, giving you the confidence to explore without limits. The exterior of the 2025 Sprinter AWD camper is both functional and stylish. With sleek, aerodynamic lines, LED headlights, and a bold front grille, it stands out wherever you go. High ground clearance and all-terrain tires allow you to navigate rough trails, while the durable construction ensures longevity and reliability. Roof racks provide additional storage for outdoor gear, and optional solar panels offer off-grid energy solutions for extended trips. Step inside, and you'll find a living space that redefines comfort on the road. The premium interior features high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout designed for maximum convenience. The spacious cabin includes comfortable seating, a digital cockpit, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The large touchscreen display integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls, making every journey effortless. The kitchenette is fully equipped for life on the road. With a built-in sink, refrigerator, and stovetop, you can prepare meals no matter where your adventure takes you. The thoughtfully designed storage compartments keep everything organized, maximizing space without sacrificing aesthetics. Overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and cleverly hidden compartments ensure that your living area remains tidy and functional. The sleeping area is designed for restful nights after long days of exploration. A premium mattress provides exceptional comfort, while adjustable reading lights and climate control create the perfect environment for relaxation. Large panoramic windows allow you to enjoy breathtaking views from the comfort of your camper, letting nature become an extension of your living space. Comfort extends beyond just the sleeping arrangements. The climate control system ensures that the interior remains at the perfect temperature, whether you're camping in freezing conditions or escaping the summer heat. Large windows offer excellent ventilation, and blackout shades provide privacy when needed. Every aspect of the design is tailored to enhance your experience on the road. Technology is at the heart of the Sprinter AWD camper. The digital dashboard provides real-time information on vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and trip data. Wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto keep you connected, while integrated voice control allows you to adjust settings hands-free. With smart home integration, you can control lighting, temperature, and security features directly from your smartphone, adding an extra layer of convenience. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Sprinter AWD camper. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. A 360-degree camera system provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Collision prevention technology and automatic emergency braking help ensure that every journey is as safe as it is enjoyable. Versatility is key in the design of this camper. The modular layout allows you to customize the space to fit your travel needs. Whether you need extra storage for sports equipment, additional seating for passengers, or enhanced off-grid capabilities, the Sprinter AWD camper can be tailored to suit your lifestyle. Optional upgrades include solar power systems, larger water tanks, and extended battery packs for complete self-sufficiency on the road. The camper's efficiency is optimized for long-distance travel. The powerful yet fuel-efficient engine minimizes fuel stops, allowing you to focus on the journey ahead. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, improving overall performance and ensuring a smooth ride. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the Sprinter AWD camper delivers a comfortable and controlled driving experience. Owning a 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD camper is more than just having a vehicle, it's about embracing a lifestyle of freedom and exploration. It's about waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, setting up camp beneath a canopy of stars, or discovering hidden trails that lead to breathtaking views. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime and having the confidence to go wherever your heart desires. This camper is designed for those who love the open road and the experiences it brings. Whether you're traveling solo, with a partner, or with family and friends, the Sprinter AWD camper provides the space, comfort, and reliability you need. Its intelligent design and premium features ensure that every trip is enjoyable, from weekend getaways to full-time van life. The 2025 Sprinter AWD camper is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a home on wheels, a gateway to new adventures, and a symbol of limitless possibilities. The attention to detail, cutting-edge technology, and superior craftsmanship set it apart from the rest. It's a vehicle designed for those who refuse to settle for the ordinary and strive to experience life to the fullest. Imagine setting out on a cross-country journey, with everything you need right at your fingertips. Imagine finding the perfect campsite, parking your van, and watching the sunset from your cozy living space. Imagine having the freedom to go wherever the road takes you, with the assurance that your camper is built to handle any challenge along the way. This is the experience that the Sprinter AWD camper offers. Maintenance and serviceability are made easy with Mercedes-Benz's extensive network of service centers and certified technicians. Regular checkups and high-quality components ensure that your vehicle remains reliable for years to come. The durable construction and advanced engineering guarantee long-term performance, no matter how many miles you put on it. For those who seek the thrill of adventure without sacrificing comfort, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD camper is the ultimate solution. It's built for explorers, dreamers, and those who crave the excitement of the unknown. Whether you're chasing adventure in the mountains, exploring hidden beaches, or finding peace in the quiet solitude of nature, this camper is your perfect companion. The road is calling, and the possibilities are endless. With the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWD camper, you can go further, experience more, and travel without limits. It's time to embrace the journey, discover new destinations, and create unforgettable memories. The adventure of a lifetime awaits, and this is the vehicle that will take you there. Your journey starts now. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.